How to bold, italicize, and underline text on MS Word application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily edit your documents on MS Word, and in this video, we are learning how to make your text bold, italic, or underlined. So first of all, open your MS Word application on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home page, open up one of your documents you want to edit, or you may also create a new document. I'm just opening one of these documents over here. Now, once you open up the document, go ahead and find the text you'd like to edit. Simply go and press and hold on the text, and then you will see this kind of a cursor key. Go ahead and drag the cursor all the way towards the text you would like to select, and after making the selection, click on Edit. Once you're inside this edit screen, you'll see different tools at the bottom of the screen. First, let me show you how to make bold text. Once you are done selecting the text, tap the bold option or the B button at the bottom, and this will change your selected text instantly to bold. Now, if you want to italicize the text, all you need to do is to tap the eye icon, which is a little bit slanted right next to B. Now you'll see that your text has been italicized. To underline the text, tap the U button. Now, you have successfully used the bold, italicize, and underline text option. All of these options are selected at once. This means that the text is now bold as well as italicized and also underlined. If you don't want any of those, simply tap on the buttons again, and that is how you will be able to edit your text in MS Word and make it bold, italicize, or underlined. To toggle off any format, tap on the button again and you'll be good to go. That's it. Now you know how to bold, italicize, and underline text in the MS Word mobile app. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and saves you a lot of editing time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.